The keys to it. So this is gonna be a pretty easy installation. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're back here with Eric, Mike, and we have the BMW white M3 that we drove the other day, and this thing is locked on this side. So we got to drive, and that's a pretty cool GT4 if I do have to say so myself. It's unlocked? Oh, sweet. Okay, so today we're gonna work on this car. This is gonna be a how-to video again, but ooh yeah, I definitely for sure miss this car. So the interior is gray, which is not really the best color in my opinion, but the steering wheel from realcarbontastic.com, and we're not sponsored. We drove this the other day. It felt absolutely amazing to drive. We also got to drive the red one, and to be honest, the red one with all the mods, those tasteful mods, definitely drove a lot better than this. But there's a few of you who said it'd be better to get the white one just so that you can make it into your own, and I wholeheartedly agree with you guys, especially after reading all your comments about which one to get. You want to see the transformation. We're gonna work on the white BMW, and I think in a video after this we're actually gonna work on the G-Wagon again. So there's a lot of things happening with me and Eric. Like, we're gonna do that, we're gonna work on the G-Wagon also, and then there's this baby that we're gonna fill you guys in a little bit later. Pretty exciting stuff, you know what I mean? Like, how cool. Like, do you want to talk about this car yet or later?
Yeah, we can talk about it. So I bought a E46 wagon.
Yeah.
I'm so E46 addicted. And this is gonna be a special project because this is a 330 XI. We're about to M3 convert it.
Dude,
yeah.
So yeah, you just heard it right here first, folks. We're gonna make this into an E46 M3 wagon. Dude, like, he's still stumped on like what color he should make the exterior, but yeah, that's a really fun project that he's gonna have. So he's gonna have 3 M3s essentially.
Yeah, essentially like 2 regular and 1 wagon.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, if you could call the red one regular.
The red one's track use, the white one's daily. This one is gonna be project. Yeah. So we're gonna do the powertrain transfer first, then the body work, and essentially it's gonna become a official M3 wagon.
So excited. And this thing is automatic, or are you gonna be able to switch out the transmission, or are you gonna keep it SMG? Or are you gonna do it SMG?
The donor I have is gonna be
manual.
Oh
sweet. I mean, that just pops out, right? The battery said. Oh, the front doesn't. Oh, there it goes. We're putting in the M3. So if you drive I don't know what it's called exactly what we're doing right now, but it's definitely in the title, and that's why you clicked on this video. But we're gonna work on that. But yeah, so big stuff going on. And then this is not my car. Okay, this is not my car, but this is amazing. But I do have the keys to it. I'm gonna fill you guys in a little bit later who this car belongs to, but it's actually nice and warm in here because it's freaking freezing out here right now. But yeah, we're gonna take this on a drive a little bit later. Might be in a later episode, might be in the same episode, I don't know. But yeah, looking freaking, these are my favorite things about this GT4 right here.
Well, if we make the wagon that color,
dude, that'd be pretty sick, to be honest. You ordered the part?
I'll order the part, but I forgot the name. Windshield cowl, I think. I did it on the right one already. Just this part. So
this is like a really simple, easy fix for you E46 or just BMW M3 like 3 Series owners. It's that plastic shit right there. So it smells like exhaust in here.
It smells like exhaust.
So this is gonna be a pretty
easy
installation, simple video. All right, so pop the bonnet, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know how to pop the bonnet on a BMW.
You see that stick thing?
So it's like Mercedes. They have that little stick thing.
Yeah.
And then you pull up, and there you go. So I didn't know this. There's actually used to be like an electrical box here or filter.
No, the ABS pump.
So this used to be where the ABS pump is, but it's not there anymore because
they They make a smaller one and then they relocate it to somewhere here.
Oh, so on the the 2002.
You can see it on the wagon. It's on there.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So it's kind of odd how there's just like this big empty space there. But I mean, if you wanted to keep your, I don't know, your drugs in there, I guess that's the perfect spot. Windshield cowl.
Yeah.
So it's called a windshield cowl.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what we're gonna replace.
First, we're gonna remove the windshield wiper.
How are we gonna do that? So I'm assuming these little things pop off, right?
Yes, there's 2 caps.
Okay, I popped off one cap. Don't want to lose it in the engine now.
You popping them off already?
Yeah, they're easy. You just pop it off with your freaking nail. There.
Got it.
Actually, never mind. You got it. So what is that? 5/8?
Yeah, 5/8.
So you want to remove these 2 windshield wipers.
The better way for you is to put a tape to have the position, so when you put it back, so you won't make it too high or too low.
Eric's very strong. He's stronger than me. This is why I leave it up to him to do this kind of stuff.
Press down from the arm with the connection here.
Yeah.
I'll let you try the other one. Really hard, you see it's loosened. And now you can press it down a little bit. Try to bring this thing out.
Yeah, so oh shit.
Alright.
That was scary.
You don't want to drop that in the engine.
So that one's kind of like stuck, but that one came out pretty easily. But yeah, you do have to wiggle it out. You can't just like... So next one.
Remove the cabinet filter, so you want to remove the...
So those are easy clips, you just turn them basically.
You just turn them, yeah. And then the cabinet filter will just I'll do it in the middle.
Nice.
So there's the...
Ooh, it's dirty.
Is it dirty?
No, never mind, it's not.
You want to vacuum it.
Ideally, but we don't have a vacuum.
I'll bring the vacuum. So.
No? Right.
Windshield cowl?
Yeah.
Yeah, just pull it. You want to...
Right?
Easy, man! Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's how you do it.
So this is the new one. And... Oh, okay.
You just put it down and you see.
Oh, so some of the clips on the old one broke off.
Yeah.
They're still in there. So
it's so old.
Yeah, so the black one's just like, you gotta pry it off with a tool.
Right. Now time to put the new one back.
Yeah, so we cleaned up the whole area with, we did take these off just to clean that.
The leaves,
the leaves off and everything like that, looking good as new. And literally, all you have to do to replace the cowl is
to drop this in.
Drop it in right there. So you help them on this side.
They're just you see the tap, the holes?
Yeah.
They're just the tap going one way in.
This is like hard plastic.
Yeah.
Wait, press it.
1 second, let me align everything.
Yeah, these ones are not aligning, but it's because like they're not in place.
Yeah, that's why you wanna make everything. Just you can adjust it. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
All right.
Now just like tap in.
Yeah, just tap.
Tap in. Ooh, there you go. Ooh, there you go.
Should be one more.
Ooh.
Yeah. All right. See?
Dude, that's sick. Yeah, it's tight fit too.
Yeah, brand new.
And how much did it cost?
$80.
That's kind of expensive just for a plastic piece, but oh well. Oh.
Windshield wiper delete.
Windshield wiper delete.
Same way you put them in, put them out. Same way you put them in, like wiggle it. Push them.
Such a long-winded video.
All right.
And now time to just screw it back in and then we're done.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching this episode. So the next car that we're going to work on, at least over here, I think we're going to work on the G-Wagon, which is what a lot of you guys are actually pretty excited about, which is, you know, which is totally unexpected. You know what I mean? With the G-Wagon. The G-Wagon mods are actually pretty unique, and it'd be kind of cool to make this look like a brand new G-Wagon. So on the last episode, at least for the G-Wagon series, we did replace the steering wheel with a real Carbon-tastic steering wheel. So that looks pretty sick right there. I think the car is open. Yep, car is open. I just totally left Eric to finish up the job over there. But yeah, this steering wheel looks freaking epic, dude. It feels amazing. The old steering wheel felt terrible. And I know a lot of you guys asked about this infotainment system right there. Yeah, we're gonna take it apart, reinstall it just so that you guys can see how it's done, and then we'll provide the link in a future date to where you can cop one of these. Yeah. So, oh, also we're gonna fix those lights and that one. So anyways guys, thank you for watching this episode. Eric's over there. He loves you guys. He misses you too. He says goodbye also. And we still need a thumbnail with this car.
Yeah, this is okay. Yeah, this is good.